These are skill sticks. So they are popsicle sticks, but they have these little notches in them. And so what are these notches for? So what they can do is that they can click together. So I can put one into the other, and then they're stuck together and you don't even need glue. So I want to show you on one stick very closely. You can see that here is one notch. This is an easy notch to put things in. This notch, not good. This is not a notch to put things in. It'll just make you very sad if you try. This one, you can put one stick in it or two. Let me show you. So I can take it from the first notch, not the second notch. The second notch will make you sad. See, that's a V. It's not going to fit in there. So this first notch, if I put a first notch in there, okay, so that will stay. I can put two. Say I want to build something that I want it to be more secure. I can put two skill sticks in that one little spot. Okay, and then there's another little notch right here. That one is a good one to put things in. So really you have this notch, you have this notch that can fit two, and you have this notch. And it's the same thing on the other end of it. You've got this notch, and then you got this one you can put two, and this one you can put one. Now, building with them, I can put one like this and like this. What most commonly is built with these is houses because it makes a square, but that doesn't mean that's the only thing that you can make. I'll show you how you make a square. So I put it in this. So I'm using the very end notch because I want it to be the biggest possible square that it can be. So there we go. In there. Take a little bit of practice. So don't get frustrated if it doesn't really go in there first. So here I have a square, so I could use this as a picture frame, or I can do other things with it, but I can also keep building. So I could go back on top of it and do another layer. So first I'm going to do the two sides here. You really got to push. There you go. All right, and then that, and like this. And there you go. Sometimes you have to like click it. You have to kind of push it up, push these two together to make them closer. See, you can stand it up if you want. Just keep building around and around and around, and you can make it very tall. You can also go off to the side if you want. So you can take it, put some like this, if you like. Let's see, I'm going to go into this one. I'm going to put two. So you can hear that click. When you hear that click, you know that it's really in there. So I can start building it so that it has like a slant to it. You could put them on here so that there's like a little bit of a slant if you like. So there's all different things that you can build with them. You just use your imagination and you can keep building out or building up, whatever makes you happy. And as far as decorating them goes, you can use lots of things to color them. If you have paint, you can use paint. If you have crayons, look at how easy this is to color with crayon. I think it really gives a nice color. You could also put one color crayon on top of another if you wanted to mix them. And so you can see how easy this was with a marker. So you could do that. You can color them first if you want. You could color the sides if you're looking for that. You could write, you could put stripes, you could put designs, you could put letters like you can write words on there. So there's all different things. You could put glitter on here. You can glue things on here. Another thing you can do is that you can add cardboard. Just like this is a scrap piece of cardboard, you could just use the old cereal box and get some scissors. And so this is basically the same thing, only I built it without the other side so that it's open because I want to make a garage for my little car. And so see how it fits nicely in there, but it doesn't have a roof. And this garage, it needs a roof. So I'm gonna cut a square, hopefully about the right size. If you want to be exact about it, you could put this under here and then draw it and then cut it. But I'm not trying to be exact. I'm just trying to throw a roof on here. So see, now my garage, it has a roof. Another thing you could do is, let's say you had some dolls and you wanted them to have some place to sit, is that then this could be like a bench for them, or this could be a table for the dolls. So you see, just with a piece of cardboard, you can use it for roofs or for seats. You can decorate it. So many things you can do. Just look around your house and see what things you could mix with it. What toys could you use with these sticks? And what could you do with cardboard to make this, or fabric to make this different and more creative? If you wanted to make it something that you want to keep for a very, very long time, you can put glue before you click it into place and then leave it to dry. But if you want to be able to take it back apart, I can take this apart and then I can build something else another day.